Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to enable virtualization for BlueStacks in 2026. So if BlueStacks feels slow, crashes, or shows virtualization errors, yeah, enabling this feature can massively improve performance and stability. First, open BlueStacks and check if you see a virtualization warning. You can also open Task Manager and look under the CPU section to see whether virtualization is enabled or disabled. Before changing BIOS settings, save your work and restart your computer. So during startup, you'll need to enter the BIOS or UEFI menu. When your PC starts restarting, repeatedly press the BIOS key. This is usually delete, F2, F10, or escape depending on your motherboard or laptop brand. Inside BIOS settings, look for virtualization options. On Intel systems, it's usually called Intel VTX, and on AMD systems, it may appear as AMD-V or SVM mode. Now reopen BlueStacks. You should notice smoother performance, faster loading times, and fewer lag issues while gaming or using apps. And that's basically how to enable virtualization for BlueStacks in 2026. So, after turning this on, your emulator should run much faster and more stable on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. H.